Welcome to Best Choice. The best filter gasket is probably one of the most overlooked components of your pool system, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining water clarity and preventing leaks. This seemingly simple part ensures a tight seal, preventing debris from re-entering your pool and keeping your filter operating efficiently. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of filter gaskets, exploring their importance and how to choose the right one for your pool. Number 5. Hayward SPX0710XT Gasket Replacement. This is a gasket replacement for your Hayward valve. It's designed to keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. This will help you maintain your pool or spa. This gasket fits several Hayward multiport valve models, including SP0710, SP0710X, SP0711, and SP0712. It's a versatile part that ensures a proper seal. The gasket also works with Hayward S200 series and Pro series side mount sand filter valves. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of Hayward products. Replacing the gasket is a straightforward process. It's a simple way to maintain your equipment and prevent leaks. This will save you time and money. This replacement gasket is built to last. It's a reliable component that will help keep your pool or spa system in top condition. You can count on it for consistent performance. What we like. This gasket is specifically designed for Hayward multiport valves and sand filter valves. It's made of durable rubber, ensuring a long-lasting seal. If you have a Hayward filter system and need a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The gasket fit perfectly. The product worked as expected and sealed the filter housing. Number 4. Hayward SPX1600S Cover Gasket Replacement. Are you looking for a replacement cover gasket? This is the Hayward SPX1600S, designed specifically for your super pump. It ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and maintaining optimal pump performance. This gasket is compatible with multiple Hayward super pump models. It fits SP1600X5, SP1605X7, SP1607X10, SP1608X10, SP1610X15, SP1611X15, SP1615X20, SP1616X20, and SP1621X25. Make sure it is the right one for your pump. Replacing the gasket is a straightforward process. Simply remove the old one and install the new SPX1600S. This will help to keep your pump running smoothly. A properly sealed pump is essential for efficient operation. This replacement gasket helps maintain the pump's performance and prevent water loss. It's a simple fix that makes a big difference. Don't let a worn-out gasket compromise your pool's performance. Get the Hayward SPX1600S cover gasket replacement today and keep your super pump running at its best. It's a reliable solution for your pool maintenance needs. What we like. This cover gasket is designed for Hayward super pump models, ensuring a perfect fit. It creates a secure seal, preventing any leaks. If you are experiencing leaks around your super pump cover, replacing it with this will solve the problem. What people say. The gasket fit perfectly and sealed the filter housing. The product was exactly what I needed and worked perfectly. Installed the new gasket and no more leaks. Number 3. Summer Waves P58147800 Motor Seal Gasket, 3-pack. Is your pool filter pump leaking? This replacement gasket is the solution. It's designed to restore the seal and prevent water leakage. This motor seal gasket, part number P58147800, is specifically designed for Summer Waves SFX600 and SFX1000 series filter pumps. It ensures a perfect fit for your system. This gasket fits around the seal top and bottom of the Summer Waves RX filtration systems. It also fits the bottom motor seal on the SFX filtration systems. Made from high-quality rubber, this gasket is built to last. It's soft yet strong, ensuring durability and a long service life. Installing this gasket is simple. It provides excellent sealing performance and effectively prevents leaks, keeping your pool clean and your pump running smoothly. What we like. This motor seal gasket is a perfect fit for Summer Wave's SFX 600 and SFX 1000 series filter pumps. Made of high-quality rubber, it offers excellent sealing performance and prevents leakage. If you own a Summer Waves pool and need a reliable seal, consider this. What people say. I could not get my pool pump to stop leaking. Since putting this gasket in, my pump has not leaked at all. Worked great for my pool pump. Number 2. 11412 Silicone O-ring seal gasket for sand filter. Is your sand filter pump motor leaking? This L-shaped silicone O-ring seal gasket is the perfect solution. It's designed to replace the old gasket and prevent any further leaks. Replacing the gasket is easy. Simply remove the old one and install this new 11412 gasket. It's a quick fix that will save you time and money. This gasket is part number 11412. Make sure it matches your pump's requirements. It's a reliable replacement part for your sand filter pump motor. This gasket is compatible with multiple models, including 26323CA, 26323EH, and many more. Check the list to ensure it fits your specific pump model. This product comes in a convenient 4-pack. You'll have spares on hand for future replacements. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your pool equipment. What we like. This L-shaped silicone O-ring is designed for sand filter pump motors. It is compatible with a wide range of models. If you have an Intex sand filter pump and need a reliable seal, this is a great choice. What people say. The product fit perfectly and solved the leak. Installed this and it worked great. This gasket was exactly what I needed to stop the leak. Number 1. Intex plunger valves replacement part, 2-pack. These Intex plunger valves make pool maintenance easier. They are designed to simplify changing hoses and pumps, saving you time and effort. This is a replacement part for Intex above-ground pools. It's designed for pools using 1.5-inch diameter hoses with 2.5-inch threaded connector fittings. Replace your old valves or upgrade to this system. It comes with everything you need, including a plunger valve, hose O-ring, and step washer. The assembly includes a plunger valve, hose O-ring, and step washer. This ensures a secure and leak-free connection for your pool system. This part is compatible with several Intex filter pump models. It's designed to work with models such as 28635EG, 28633EG, and more. Make pool maintenance a breeze with this replacement part. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference in the ease of use of your pool. What we like. This is a replacement Intex plunger valve with gaskets and nuts. It is designed for Intex above-ground pools using 1.5-inch diameter hoses. If you are looking to upgrade your Intex pool's valve system for easier hose changes, this is a great option. What people say. The gasket fit perfectly. Installed easily and sealed perfectly. This is a perfect replacement for the original gasket. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.